Hi friends, I am JJ. Welcome to our channel JJ Pathfinder. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn on notification. These are the important informative topics of our channel. Let's start. Real Path creates victory.
In this video, I am explaining about how to check PNR status through IRCTC mobile application. The importance of PNR inquiry is PNR status tells whether your booking is confirmed or you will have to wait to get a seat till someone cancel their ticket. The details of train coach and berth, the train ticket fare, the departure and arrival time and time can be found with the help of PNR number. In case you lost the physical copy of your ticket, then you can download the ticket through PNR number. Firstly, log in your IRCTC app. If you have not registered in IRCTC, I have already uploaded a video about how to create a new account on IRCTC. You will get the link of that video from this video description. Firstly, watch the video and try to log in the app. After login, click on PNR inquiry. Then enter your 10-digit PNR number here. Then click on search. Look at this. This is the details of your train ticket with the current status confirmed. This is a method of PNR inquiry through IRCTC mobile application. I think this video is informative for you. Don't forget to like and support my channel JJ Pathfinder. Real Path creates victory. Now goodbye and